All right, welcome back to my channel, guys. It's been quite a long time I showed up here. Your name and where you're joining us from. So we'll be trading GBPUSD, UUSD, and gold live. CPI just came out, so let me check. Let me confirm. So this is okay. So news just came out, and CPI came out positive. USD is positive. USD is positive. So what do you expect GU to do? GU obviously will obviously go down, and that's why it's currently selling. So GU currently go down, then that's why it's selling. So you must understand why price is doing what it's doing. Understand? It's very important. So currently, what am I expecting? I'm still expecting more sales though. Still expecting more sales. But there's a place I sent an analysis to All right, so I'm back. Sorry for that break. So I'll share my screen real quick. Okay. All right, so like I said, news came out positive, CPI came out positive. Okay. So came out positive, 30 advanced GDP price index came out positive also. So that's why our GU is selling, sold for the news, and EU also will still sell like it did. So me, I'm expecting this load to be taken out. This load to be taken out. Then price comes here, and I buy from here. So this is my own trade idea. Then for DXY, I'm still expecting DXY to still drop. Even though yeah, it's positive, but I'm still expecting it to drop from my analysis overall view, from the daily perspective and all that. So although we might just be very careful because you can clearly see this is a sweep, this is a break. Although this did not break, the price is kind of coming into this breaker block. So which did not even come into fully. So but on the other I'm bearish. So let's see. Let's see if this gives us well. Then on gold, this is my analysis on gold. Also, I dropped it on the Telegram, like I was saying before. Okay. If you're not on the Telegram, join the Telegram. Dropped it on the Telegram also. Okay, so let's just see if any of these trades starts us in while we're live. But this is what I have. Risking about this 1 to 7. 1 to 7. So guys, let's see how it goes. Okay. Your name and where you're joining us from, and also if you want us to analyze any pair or you want me to talk about anything, just drop your questions. I will look at them and I'll see if I can answer them. So me, I'm still expecting price to see drop. We look at this, you can see a large pool of liquidity resting in that area. Okay, even though we had that sponsor break of structure. Those of you on the Telegram, join the live session. We had that break of structure, so yeah, even if we had that break of structure, I'm still saying the price to see push a little bit, come to this area, and I want to buy from there. And also EU also. Although this morning EU trade London session smashed this TP from here, so you can see I dropped the idea on the Telegram also. I dropped the idea on the Telegram also. So guys, let's wait. Let's see if any of them gives us. Let's see if any of them gives us a good trade entry, and let's see how we can scale up with this. So for now, this one I'll target this high. Target this high. All right, let me look at your questions. Understand, I'm still watching this very carefully, looking at this area. So this could be a trap because obviously price want to induce people to buy and fail. So let's just hold and observe while we take questions. So days from Lagos, amazing. V50 sir, okay. V50, you saw the analysis on the group now, obviously. It's on a sell, in a very good sell. And on my iPad, I did analysis and I also saw that projection. I also saw that projection. Let me show you guys. That's one pair I've been waiting for since 4-hour time frame, and that was it basically. Our normal style of trading, we had first break of structure, second break of structure, liquidity, and boom, price came into this other block, and that was it. So even if you had missed that entry, this was the entry I saw if I was using my iPad to share this, I would have shared that view. So that's resistance level is where I saw the re-entry and boom, dropping massively. So it's still bearish. It's still going to smash that TP. And thanks to what's this guy's name on our group that shared it. So if you're not on the WhatsApp group also, you might be missing out because we have a community of traders that also drops analysis often, and good guys, good guys, good guys. Good guys, okay? So you need to join. You need to join the WhatsApp group also, where community of traders share their ideas, and yeah, makes sense. You can see what greatness is also dropping on the group. Amazing stuff. Thanks to greatness, and thanks to my team also, my team members. They're doing well. So yeah, what other pair? So this has gone. Maybe you can't obviously want to enter here from here. It's not even possible. So this is what I'll say. We are getting reactions from here. Also on GU, also kind of pushing. Then gold, pretty pushing. But then again, like I said, I'm not going to be moved by all those moves. We just hold on. We just hold on. So yeah, like I said, that could be inducement to freak a lot of persons to sell, to buy it, and fails and now buy it. So let's just see wait. These are entry. This is a 1 to 4 though. This is a 1 to 4. Quick 1 to 4. Then this is a 1 to 7 on GU. Then on gold might not even come back. But let's see. Let's see. Who knows? So I'm waiting for your questions. I'm still waiting for your questions. Check jump 50. Okay. Okay. All right. So let me go there. Jump 50, jump 50, jump 50, jump 50. Without much stress, we'll clearly see that we're bearish. And where this market is currently is at its oversold level. Yeah, so you could clearly see that this does not make sense to want to try and force straight into this, but this buy that's currently happening is sponsored from this level. And obviously it's going to take out this. So you already know your start. I hope this helps you. You already have your break of structure, your second break of structure, then this liquidity. So price is going to take out this level. Okay, so that's basically that. Yeah, and you can clearly see that it has been falling, and price is now doing as he wants to push to the upside, and you can see the momentum of buyers coming into the market. So yeah, I have that on the 1 hour time frame. What can you do if possibly price retraces? Looking to buy from somewhere here, and yeah, so that's it basically. Okay, I'm waiting for your questions. Let's see if these pairs that we're waiting for has given us any. Okay, you can clearly see what's happening on EU. Okay, so once that level is taken out, our liquidity is confirmed, then our entry. basically. Okay, you can clearly see that's taking out that low, taking out that low. So a lot of surpluses have been hit already. If their surpluses were below, let me show you how it's induced. Can clearly see did as if, oh, there's a break of structure, there's a turning, it's going to turn now. Let me show you. Did as if it was going to turn, confirmation from their zone and full. So I'm still expecting price to still push a little bit, but if price does not push, after price does this and gives us this, we can look for buy from here. So any which way, we just have to just relax. And even though price does not come to our entry, we already price has taken out that low already, and we just need to just wait for price to give us a break of structure. Then price comes into our zone, then we buy. Basically, let's see GU. Okay, you know GU and EU basically do they basically do the same thing. Okay, so for this, I'm not really seeing anything very clear yet. This low have not been taken out to even say it wants to come into this one. To even say it wants to come into this one deep down. So that's that. Then gold, like I said, gold might never come back down. It's pushing, pushing, pushing. It's pushing. Okay, so let's see which of these other pairs will give us entry. Gold might still give us entry though. Wherever we don't know. But one thing that's good is that our liquidity inducement have been taken out. Confirm that yes, that's an inducement. I'll just okay. Okay. See, it's kind of doing what I was saying. So once price does this, gives a break of structure to the up, what do we expect? Price to come into this other block and we can buy it. Can buy it. But let's just hold on to what's happening and observe. So I'm waiting for your questions. I'm waiting for your questions. Any question? Any question? I'm still here. If you're not on the Telegram, please do it to join the Telegram. Okay, so break of structure has just been, just give us a break of structure now. So this is our break of structure. I would like to call it market structure shift now. Okay, so what do we expect? Like I said, we can now buy it here. Price comes here, we can buy it to the upside. And for me, I will even target above that high, like I would love to still push. Although I'll look for yes. So this is where I want to go to. Okay, then my stop loss just below this. Yes, okay. So this is a 1 to 9. This is a 1 to 9. If price can take out, this is our first realistic TP before coming here. We're good. Let's see G. Okay. Since EU is doing like that, price might just want to come here for GU also. For me, I don't want to take this because price is not really coming to where I actually wanted it to come into. So then good give on fly. Good give on fly. This pair, no, it will fly like a fish. So yeah, give on fly. Break and retest, fly. So yeah, so let's just wait. Let's see if price gives us entry immediately. If price can give us an entry, I love price to come into our zone, our entry, while we're live so that you guys can take it. But if price does not, you just have to wait. Ask your questions. Ask your questions. I will save your cards. You dwells in the midst of the cherubims, shine for you dwells in the midst of the cherubims. So I'm just wishing price gives us an entry while we're on the call. Okay. Shine forth. Okay. Let me know if you have a contrary idea. Okay, please check V10-1S. Okay, V10-1S, V10-1S, V10-1S. Price wants to fly to our TPP without giving us an entry. See this pair? You see this pair? Sometimes when some pairs are not clear, just don't stress too much. Don't stress. Don't stress. This pair might still want to drop deep, but when the pair is not so clear, don't just stress. Don't stress at all. You dwell. Don't stress, but if you still want to go ahead with trading it, just focus on pairs that you are sure about the direction and go ahead. You can see how so uncertain. So yeah, it was here before the breakout. And even this breakout now is currently reacting from this zone, which is telling you that all this might be swept out. So you just have to just be careful. I think that helps you sha. Let's see what is happening, Jari. Okay, where is it still? GU, EU, just have to wait. Shine forward. With this, you can even pass the problem. This 1 to 9, Abby. Yeah, with this you can pass the problem. You can pass the problem. With just one setup, you can pass the problem. In the midst of the journey, shine forth. You dwell so V50 still selling. Still selling. Crazy, 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 crazy. If you're not on the WhatsApp group, like I said, join in. Join in, join in, join in. You dwell in the midst of the cherubims. Shine forth. Shine forth. Shine like the fire. Shine like the rain. Oh, shine forth. Sorry. So we're still waiting to see what happens. If price leaves us, no problem. We're good. On to the next. When price comes, take our trade. We are still good. Any which way. Oh my God. I don't want this slide to be very long. Let's say 40 minutes or out of here. But our analysis doesn't want to give us our entry. I want us to be in on the trade, at least see how the trade is going before I leave the live session. But with this, you can pass the challenge. This can pass the challenge. So let's see, price is pushing down, pushing down, pushing down, pushing down, pushing down. Yeah, la 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 la. La 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 la. La 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 la. Okay, you can see our price pushing down. So let's see if we get tagged in. Okay. And pushing down, pushing down, pushing down, pushing down, pushing down. Don't even tell me that you use breaker block and move, because I'm not even. So let's just observe. We see this entry is the most extreme, so yeah, and the extreme ones are very nice. So let's just see. Let's just see, guys. Let's see GU. Okay, GU is still pushing. Let's see gold. Okay. GU. Okay. 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 Good. 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 Let's see. Once we get tagged in, we're good to go. Are you good to go? Good to go. Good to go. You guys do not mind me. Oh, camp has affected me. How are you good to go? Good to go. Good to go. Good to go, sir. I was not active because obviously. Okay, almost tagged in. What are you waiting for? What are you waiting for? On my MetaTrader 5 server is not yet tagged in. It's almost at the verge of tagging in. What's this? Is it not serious? Almost at the verge of tagging in. Almost. Ah, okay. All right. Okay. Yeah, we are in. We are in. Yeah, we're in. So let's see how this goes. And draw down currently. So let's see how this goes. Let's see how this goes. Remember, apply proper risk management. Like I said, this is a one to what? One to this is a 1 to 9. So with one risking 1% to get 9%, you are good. So let me see. If you're on the trade live, if you're on the trade live, can I see your earns? Let's see if GU has also tagged. GU hasn't got into that area yet, but EU tagged us in, and let's see how it goes. Because I know this will be very quick, because if we want to move to the upside, it's quick, should be very quick. It should not be like very slow, because we're in the major time zones currently. So that's between London and New York. So we're expecting something. So let's see how this goes. Let's see. Let's do other stuff. So we come back. And meanwhile, if you're new here, like, share, subscribe. This is the Era Traders FX on the screen. And for returning subscribers, I see you. Thank you for always showing up. Thank you for always coming back. And God helping us will be giving you the value that you need. And yeah, so let's see what's currently happening. Okay, still in our entry area. So let's see. See now entry area. GU hasn't tagged in. Good. Still just there doing his thing. GU hasn't tagged in. EU still at our entry. We're still on the drawdown. So let's see. Let's see how this goes. This. Very soon we'll be trading Profems here. I'll be guiding you guys, taking you guys through the journey. The account is going and everything live. Well, there's a lot, so I need to settle down first before even doing that. So yeah, so let's just see. Let's just see. Stay at our entry. If you're on the trade, those of you on YouTube, if you're on the trade, to see on the trade. I didn't even expect this call to very long like this till this time, but let's see because of the trade. Because of the trade though. So let's see what's happening. Oh, still on the drawdown. GU hasn't entered. EU on a drawdown. Okay, so let's see what happens. All right, so pushed little into profit, nothing tangible. So let's just observe. So like I said, just come up here, take you guys through the guide, and we'll be trading pro firms by the special grace of God, and from phase one, phase two, or maybe live direct, and just see what happens as God helps us to show up here and try our best to do what we can do. Let me see if I can join in with my iPad and come. Let me share the link. Copy. Okay. Let me share to Telegram. Maybe some persons can join me in here. So. Okay. So let's just see what's happening. I know most of you might not be active. Okay, so okay, I did a little push and price. Okay, this GU hasn't tagged us in yet. Why EU when profit just little push though, just little push, just little push. I need to join on my iPad to see if I can show you guys something. Okay, push it. Let's see. Okay, so this is. So you notice you see I just joined in with my iPad. So let me see if I can share the screen. Obviously, I can't. I can't. Maybe some other time. Try my best to share. Okay, so let's see what is happening. Let's see what's happening. Okay. I don't know, but guys, let's see if we can even get to this point before the call ends. I think I'll love that. At least you take out this eye. That's if the market wants to take out, the market wants to do it. But I love that eye to be taken out if possible before I call it end the call. Yeah, live, and you can continue your trade. Okay, so yeah, GU hasn't tagged in yet. Good. The good setup is not like it won't stay valid though. Price and just come drop, take it out and push. So it's not like it's still valid. Just that price left us, and went straight, smashed that level. If you guys want me to be doing videos, more videos like this often, like I said, once I want to try my best to take you guys through Pro-Firm journey and also see how you guys can also benefit while I come live here and trade and try my best to just just follow through and document the journey here. Phase one, phase two, live, and all that. So that's it basically. GU is about tapping in. Then if you haven't, maybe if you didn't enter your EU, you can enter GU. If you don't enter EU, you can enter GU. Then for for good, just leave good. Just leave good. For GU, you can still enter GU. It has not tapped us in yet. Once it taps us in, and you can go. Then EU, we're on EU, we're on EU, we're on EU. EU already, let's see. Once price takes out this level, you can break even. At this level. Those of you trading pro firms, you can just break even, and once price gets here, you can adjust your break even above a little bit, then allow price to run to full TP. Like I said, we're targeting about 1 to 9, and this is crazy. With this setup alone, you can pass your pro firm. I'm saying it. With this setup alone, you can pass your pro firm. So you don't need to over leverage. You don't need to add more position. You don't need to be stacking. Just wait. So GU, let's see if GU has stacked us in. Okay, yeah, GU has stacked us in. GU has stacked us in. GU has stacked us in. Emmanuel, all the world is calling your name. Emmanuel, when you come to reign. Emmanuel, have the chance to see your leaf. You can see that price has bounced and we're in profit, just little profit on GU now. Currently, you can see it, everything here. I said timing matters, and also your structure, your top-down analysis and everything. I did that before even coming on live here and everything. So I already knew my bias. And when the news came up, I just saw it was negative, it was positive, then USD was going up, and GBP they will go down. So just follow my analysis because I was waiting this load to be taken out. So price smashed, took out the liquidity, and now that's where we started opening up for the buy. And just pretty simple. Just pretty simple, guys. All the world is calling on. Like I said, risk 1% on this, you get over 9%, and that will pass your profile with 9%. You are done with phase one. Because most of the program, I think they're like 8%. You are done and on to the next phase. So let me see if there's anyone on YouTube currently taking this. Please, I can see one person on YouTube. Please, your name and where you're joining us from, and which of these are you currently on, or you are not on any? For GU also, once price takes this out, you can break even a little. Then when price takes this out, you can break even to somewhere around here or around here. Just follow your structure. It's key. Just put your structure there. For gold, nothing really tangible. Since price did not get to our entry here, we know how to chase price. We just have to wait. This was where price reacted up from. That was where price reacted up from. EU, GU. So like I said, I actually don't want this to be. I actually don't want this live to be very long. I have two persons, please. Your name and where you're joining us from. Your name and where you're joining us from. You guys want to comment? Push strategy, bro. It's basically market structure, liquidity, POI, nothing deep. Also, sentiment, understand sentiment, understand your analysis, top-down analysis, basically. You can DM me. I mentor people, I teach people the way I trade, so you can DM me to learn these things. Can ask your question on anything, even on mentorship here. This one, before I traveled, that's why I have not been active. Before I traveled, this setup, this was when 11th. I traveled around. Before I traveled, I had this setup. Traveled January now. Yeah. So, yeah. So guys, let's see what's happening on those trades. We're still good. Are we good to go? Good to go, good to go, good to go, sir. Guys, don't mind me. So if this eye is taken out, then I can just end the live. If those eyes are taken out, I can end the live so that you know that yes, at least it's got it to an extent, and I can tell you guys to break even, then allow the rest to run. GU, EU also, GU and EU. And like I said I'll be guiding you guys through the profile journey. Get the profile and show you guys, okay, this is the starting point. I started these are trades I took, and I'll be taking them live also so that we can all benefit from it. Just do basic analysis, top-down analysis, and from there, push. Okay, I'm not on any. We'll be happy for you to analyze V50 for me. Okay, we did that already, and this is what I had. Even though on the WhatsApp group, one of normal, it's not even on my team, but the guy is good, sent the analysis, and when I saw it, I just smiled. I said, this is what I have. And I just said, yes, neat. And that was it. So this was a break of structure, second break of structure, liquidity, POI. Like I said, liquidity, POI structure, basically, is not that deep. Liquidity, POI structure, and other confluences like a Malaysian SNR, like key levels, so price came to that key level. This was what I had, and price is going to drop. So thanks to the bro that dropped it on the WhatsApp group. If you want a community whereby you want to be seeing people's analysis and you want to be sure of your own analysis, also join our community. Oh, Raymond from Ghana, amazing, nice meeting you, brother. Join our community, join WhatsApp, Telegram, and WhatsApp is basically where everybody drops their own analysis. For Telegram, I drop my analysis, my team drops analysis also. And if you want to still learn, you can DM us to learn, teach, we guide you, and you know. So let's see. I'm almost running an hour here. I said I wouldn't even spend up to 40, 40 minutes before, but because of the way the pairs were moving, I had to stay up till this time. So you can clearly see price has pushed from here to this point. If you have been here when we started the analysis and everything, you'll see that we have to be patient until price retraced down here. Remember, for every expansion, there will be a corresponding retracement. So price retrace and push, then yeah, that's it. Then G also not tangible moves though, but we're still good. We're still good. This is a 1 to 4 trade. This is a 1 to 4 trade. This is the overall TP in case you're not seeing this is overall TP. So expecting price to see push surge up very well. Then where is our EU, which is really pushing. Let me see my trades on 95. Okay, so guys, that's it basically. That's it. That's it. That's it. That's it. A neat one. A neat one. A neat one. And like I said, with just this setup alone, you can pass a pro-firm. So when I'm doing this pro-firm challenge, when I'm taking setups, coming up here, showing up, pretty around this time also, because this is the time I'll be trading. That's the London and New York overlap. That time frame where both London and New York. So most of the time this time is the time I'll be active. So when I'm taking these trades, you can join me. No matter the outcome, we take it. If it's profit, we take it. If it's loss, that's why you apply risk management. Very important. So yeah, price retracing. Let's see what happens. But once it's 1 hour, when this live, I'm going to do other stuffs. Okay. And for those of you on the live, I believe I answered your questions. I believe I answered the questions. I believe so. Once it's 1 hour, I will leave you guys. Oh, GU has gone down. EU, not really much. Still lingering. If this eye can just be taken out, then we can break even and we'll allow the rest to run. But still keep an open mind. Okay, let me see. Jesus, 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 Jesus. There's this hunger deep down in my soul. There's this craving deep down in my heart. Oh, this craving has a lot. Yahweh, Yahweh. Hear my humble cry. Yahweh, Yahweh. I hope my network is not the one even trying affecting me. I'll just end this live. Sorry, my network went out. I'm back now. So, like I said, 1 hour, exactly 1 hour out. Although price is back at our entry, but we're good until either TP or SL. That's what we do here. Either TP or SL. So let's see. Okay, and clearly see almost at our entry. Then GU, I think GU is at our entry. Or EU, still see. Little drawdown. So it's an opportunity for you guys that are not in to still enter. This is the overall setup. Let me show you guys. This is the overall setup. This is what I'm expecting. This is where I'm expecting this to get to. Okay. So yeah. Any question, anything that you want me to do, even though it's volatility pairs that you want me to analyze, I'm active. Just ask a question, and yeah, you get. We just have 3 minutes to go, even less than 3 minutes, because we have like 2 minutes, 28 seconds. So waiting, we're in profit back on EU, also on GU also. Guys, if you enjoyed the session, please drop a comment, like, share, subscribe, share with your loved ones, your friends that are into trading, so that they can also join. Like I said, I'll be starting up something about ProFirms trading live here and documenting the wins, the losses, the progress. So yeah, it's a good one. So guys, let's see our trades. See where is that? Okay, guys, still whining us. Either it's TP or it's SL, any of them. GU. I can see GU on my phone though. It's in profit. Let see. Okay, EU also, but not really tangible moves. Not really tangible moves. So guys, thank you for watching. God bless you. Like, share, subscribe. Okay, let's just go.